Hello, welcome to Deep Jyoti Kitchen. Today we are going to make a very easy but fancy strawberry dessert, and for which we are going to need only 3 ingredients. So let's start off with chopping the strawberries into very small pieces. Now we are going to transfer the strawberries into a bowl and coat them with some powdered sugar. This step will help the strawberries to get a little sweetness. Now we'll take hung curd, which is basically curd without water. We'll add powdered sugar 2 tablespoons in it and mix it till it's soft and creamy. Now we are going to take a small packet of biscuits and crush them. You can also grind them into the mixer, but I'm using the roller to crush them. Now add some butter and mix it well. After doing all the basic preparations, we are going to start the making of dessert. First, we are going to layer the biscuit crumbs. Second layer is the whipped curd. And for the third layer, we have the strawberries. We are going to repeat the process until the glass is full. And just like this, the strawberry dessert is done. You can garnish it with some strawberries or strawberry syrup. This is very easy to make dessert for your parties or to enjoy in summers. Thank you for watching till the end. Let's meet in the next recipe. Like, share and subscribe.